ang Lingayen is the capital town of this great province of Pangasinan. It is very rich in culture, in history, and traditions, which we are very proud of as Lingayenenses. So, being a capital town of this great province, we would like to feature quality public service and good governance. It is a source of pride of many Filipinos, not only Lingayenenses, not only Pangasinenses, but all over the world. In fact, we feel right now the influx of many balikbayans, tourists, visitors as well, no? Learning that Lingayen has many things to offer. We are very proud of our people of Lingayen. In fact, all over the world, we are spread out. And people from the different places found time to be together in coming over and showcase the best of Lingayen and its products. No? We started with Arangkada Lingayen. That is a tagline which is known all over, even the children. They know that it is associated with our administration because for a long time, we wanted Lingayen to move up, level up to the trend of times. No? The story of the municipality. As far as I can recall, when I was a small boy, ang kwento ng aking lolo ay mayroong malaking puno dyan sa tapat ng simbahan. A little bit closer to the plaza, now plaza. Pag dumadaan dyan, napapalingon. And we call it in Lingayen, in dialect as Lingawen. No? Lingon is Lingawen. So, nilingaw-lingawen. No? So, it's some people somehow found it convenient to call it Lingayen. Gusto kong magpasalamat sa taong bayan, sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin, hindi lang dito sa Lingayen, kundi sa buong Pangasinan. And to all people around the world, to come and see for yourselves what Lingayen, the capital town of this great province of Pangasinan, can offer to each and every one of you.